Hi! Welcome to my channel. My name is Taj. Today I'll be showing you what's in my backpack. Right, Lego?
Yay!
Let's get started.
Hooray!
My backpack theme for this year is LOL. Lego, now well toys.
Oh no!
My backpack for this year is LOL. Let's check my backpack.
Hooray!
First, I have my sanitizer.
Awesome!
It smells good to keep the germs away. And I have a keychain pom-pom. I like the colors. Let's see what's in here.
Yay!
I have a small pouch. In this beautiful pink pouch I have napkins, hand wipes, and sunscreen.
Awesome!
And I have my pink wallet, to keep my money for the book fair.
Awesome!
And I have, of course, extra masks. And that's it for this pocket. And now let's see what's inside here.
Yay!
I have pencil case with 2 pockets. 1, 2. 2 folders, green and white. To keep my schoolwork.
Awesome!
Notebooks, more notebooks. This is my favorite notebook. It changes. And this is my sketchbook where I can draw. And crayons, paint crayons, and markers. And these are so cute. They have 2 sides. They smell good. And they also have pencils. I love these pencils. They have different colors. Of course, erasers. I love the shapes of these erasers. Let's open it.
Yay!
Wow, look at these cute erasers. Yummy biscuit, cake. I love these cute strawberries. Me, ice cream. I wish they're real. can eat them all. Let's see what else I have.
Yippee!
Stapler. Hose puncher. Sharpener. Big ruler. And pink scissors. Let's see what else we have. Paper clips. Sticky notes. And that's all I have, my school backpack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.